Hi guys, by the time you watch this video, probably ubos na to. I am making gourmet to you. So that's my jar. And also, here's my olive oil. May carrot siya, may bawang, bellets, pamintang buo, at saka sili, and of course, olives. Galing pa to ng Gran Canaria yung olives ko. So, para isang lutoon na lang, gawin natin ng gourmet tuyo. May add ko lang guys, I'm using extra virgin olive oil. I mean, tansya-tansya lang to, wala na tong sangkap-sangkap pa. And then I add vinegar, a little bit of salt, kasi maalat na yung tuyo, at saka sugar to balance the taste. And here it is, my very own gourmet tuyo. Kung gusto nyong guys, malaman kung paano ko to ginawa. To be honest, I just watched TikTok. So doon na lang kayo mag-Google search sa TikTok. TikTok is everything, you know what I mean? And mainit pa siya, palamigin lang natin, no? And look, full of goodness. And thank you so much for the sponsor. Tuyo is from Philippines, pasalubong sa akin. I like this kind of tuyo kasi wala na siyang kaliskis, mostly malaman siya talaga. So, kaysa yung yung super nipis na tuyo na ang daming kaliskis, ayoko yun. So, perfect. So, that's my gourmet tuyo. And I'm sorry to say guys, I don't think dili ko manghatag kay ngano kuha ra ni nako guys supplies. Hinatag ra pud ni no. So magdinalok-dalok ko. Magdinaw jud ko ani. But anyway, that's my gourmet tuyo.